Hi, sir. Today we're delving to the world of reproductive hormones, the chemical messengers that govern male and female reproductive systems. Let's start with males. Testosterone, produced in the testes, is the dominant hormone. It's responsible to development for male secondary sexual characteristics, like muscle mass and facial hair, but its most critical role in sperm production. This process is carefully regulated by the interplay of FSH and LH, both released from the pituitary gland. FSH, or follicle stimulating hormone, acts directly on the cells in the testes produce sperm. LH, or luteinizing hormone, stimulates the testes to produce testosterone. This creates a negative feedback loop. High testosterone levels signal the pituitary to reduce LH production, while preventing excessive testosterone. In females, the key hormones are estrogen and progesterone, primarily produced by the ovaries. Estrogen is responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics. It plays a central role in regulating menstrual cycle. Progesterone's main function is to prepare and maintain the uterine lining for pregnancy. Similar to the male system, FSH or LH are also involved. FSH stimulates the growth and development of follicles in the ovaries, each containing an egg. When estrogen levels reach a certain point, it triggers a surge in LH, which causes ovulation, the release of mature egg from the dominant follicle. As we've seen, hormones are essential for both male and female reproduction, controlling everything from sperm and egg production to preparing the body for pregnancy. Understanding these hormones' interaction is fundamental to reproductive health. Thank you, sir. That's all.